I might never be a knight in shining armor. I might never be the one you take home to mother. And I might never be the one who brings you flowers. But I can't be the one tonight. When I first saw you from across the room, I could tell that you were curious. Oh yeah, girl, I hope you're sure what you're looking for, 'cause I'm not good at making promises. But if you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms, and if you like having secret little rendezvous, if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, then baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you. And if you like midnight driving with the windows down, and if you like going places we can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect. So let's start right now. I might never be the hand you put your heart in, or the arms that hold you anytime you want them. But that don't mean that we can't live here in the moment, 'cause I can be the one you love from time to time. When I first saw you from across the room, I could tell that you were curious. Oh yeah, girl, I hope you're sure what you're looking for, 'cause I'm not good at making promises. But if you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms, and if you like having secret little rendezvous, if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, then baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you. And if you like midnight driving with the windows down, and if you like going places we can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect. So let's start right now. And if you like cameras flashing every time we go out, oh yeah. And if you're looking for someone to write your breakup songs about, baby, I'm perfect. And baby, we're perfect. If you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms, and if you like having secret little rendezvous, if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, then baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you. And if you like midnight driving with the windows down, and if you like going places we can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect. So let's start right now.
Chúc hai họ vạn sự thỏa ước ao, chúc đôi bạn hạnh phúc tình vui mới, chúc hai nhân tuổi xuân an vui mới, hãy vững tin và hướng tới tương lai. Đường đi xa và cuộc sống còn dài, nếu vấp ngã đừng nghe nên bước tiếp. Chúc tất cả thành công trong sự nghiệp, chúc từng người làm tốt việc bản thân, chúc gia đình đoàn tụ khắp xa gần, chúc hai nhà có dâu xuân hạnh phúc.
Chú rể Quang Hà, con có đồng ý từ nay trở về sau, dù thịnh vượng hay nghèo khó, dù ốm đau hay mạnh khỏe, lúc vui hay lúc buồn, dù thăng dù trầm, thì con vẫn sẽ luôn ở bên cạnh cô dâu Kiều Anh để chăm lo, yêu thương đến mãi cuộc đời cho cô dâu Kiều Anh. Con đồng ý 1000 lần đó.
Gia đình thì luôn luôn là số 1, và Kiều Anh cũng sẽ như là con ruột của bố mẹ, và con cũng sẽ như là con ruột của bố đến mẹ Xuân. Nên là con rất cảm ơn bố mẹ. Bên tay cô dâu này. Bên tay cô dâu chắc chắn.